Hi, my name is Gio Rice, and today I'm standing at the exclusive community of Sea Ranch Lakes. This is the best kept secret in Fort Lauderdale. It has its own police force, its own beach club, and it goes from the ocean all the way to the intracoastal. I'm very excited to introduce 19 Gatehouse to the market. This ultra-modern masterpiece was finished in 2023. It sits on an oversized lot, over 22,000 square feet, has amazing views of the intracoastal. I can't wait to show you around. I hope you enjoyed touring this beautiful home as much as I did. Please feel free to reach out to me if you'd like to schedule a private showing.